Guys, are you struggle to know how to set up business in Indonesia? What about the investment report? What about the tax report? How to do it right, step by step, based on latest regulation? For you who want to set up business in Indonesia, in Bali, this is a video for you. Watch this video until the end. My name is Oki Misa. Let's do Bali right. Hi guys, welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the number one channel for you to know how to go to Bali, how to live in Bali, how to do business in Bali. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, today I want to share you something that I've been working on for a while. And honestly, I should have done this long time ago. Because every single week, I got questions from you guys. How to set up business in Bali. How to set up a PTPMA. What is PTPMA? What is investor kitas? How to do business legally in Indonesia, in Bali. And how about the tax? And I always try to answer one by one through email and sometimes through the videos. But the problem is, the information is everywhere. Is scattered and sometimes even outdated, because we don't realize actually you watch my video from last year which is not updated anymore. So today I'm going to show you something that put it all together in one place. A lot of people come here, see the opportunities, want to set up business here, but they didn't really do it the right way. So it's end up either they have to close down the business or have to deal with the government. So solution, I just finished my first guidebook, my first ebook about how foreign investors set up business in Bali the right way based on the latest regulation. This one is all pretty detailed, step by step what you should do. Total is about 35 pages, but it's really clear. The wording also easy to understand. Let me walk you through what inside. I put it here all on the steps. Step 1, explore opportunities in Bali. So make sure first what you want to do. Step 2, establish the PTPMA, the LLC for foreigners. And step 3, obtain your investor kitas, is the staying permit for the shareholders. Number 4, open bank account for your PTPMA. This is the base for you to make the tax report, to make the investment report, and so on, which is come to the next steps, which is step 5. Submit your OSS investment report online every 3 months. And number 6, make the tax report, the monthly one and the annual one. And number 7, grow your business. 7 steps, and all in this handbook. So these guidelines, this handbook is for you if you're planning to invest or set up business in Bali, in Indonesia, or for you who already have a business but you're not sure if you do the right way, or you're getting tired of getting different answers and you don't know which one is to rely on, or you just want to have something in your hand like your handbook, like your guidelines, or your like manual book how to set up business in Bali, so you can look again and again. So if you're interested, I put the link down in description. And if you still have a question, send me email. This is my email, also mentioned down in description. Don't hesitate to email me. I will help you if you still have a question. My name is Oki Misa from What's Up Bali Solution. Let's do Bali right.